Hello guys, today I will show you how to cancel waiver claims on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So, when you add or drop a player, a waiver claim is created. If you're juggling multiple waiver claims, it's easy to prioritize or cancel claims as needed. So, in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC, log into sports.yahoo.com using user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, click on the fantasy option. Now simply choose a game. I'm going to choose fantasy hockey for example. You can choose fantasy football if you wish. Now after doing this, click on the my team option from the tools at the top. When you click on my teams, it will take you to this page. So as you can see, I don't have any pending waiver claims. That's why I'm not able to see anything. But here on this page, just above your roster, you'll have to just click on the waiver claim you want to cancel. Then click cancel waiver button if it will be visible. If you'll have any pending waiver claim, you'll be able to see it just above your roster. Simply click on cancel waiver after that. Now, if you want to edit your waiver claim priority, just navigate to this tab and above your roster, you'll have to click on the edit waiver priority button. Under priority, you can update the priority of your claims using the drop down menus and click on change priority if you wish. So that is a simple way you can cancel waiver claim on Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.